but me ko say ya mi gina he me ne nya adwene me ne honorable Canadian Japan
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe we from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be we from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
You know, I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor, the locations and all those things. NDC came to start it, and when we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Afari, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Afari hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize NDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. NDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years, you didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing.
Asamna ye honorable Canadian Japan dia betu jano nyansa wom adwene wom papa asamwa eye honorable Canadian Japan e dia betu jwa efa eye afaruwa military hospital no hono nyansa wom but mi ko se ya mi gina he me ne nya adwene me ne honorable Canadian Japan nya adwene little bit kora, and I will give you the reason why. According to Honorable Canadian Japan, or see MPP for what buy me for 8 good years. Woman to me and finish hospital now for my Santa for. But more MPP for no more expect to say NDC buy 1.5 years penny, you know. More expect to say woman finish hospital, no. And for my Santa for the idea ain't me near possible. Because one buy me then and okay. This is the reason why many honorable Canadian Japan enya adwene nini. Dentina yeto aba editia MPP. Dentina asantefo to aba editia MPP. It could be said asantefo to aba edima NDC because na afadowa military hospital no MPP fire womo adwene say womu MBA. Enintina asantefo etina se ka say wokura na woye minua na yanida wo so no kura no wambia mame se wambia mame dia meto abatia wo na nimpa hunu na minnim no ba mu wogidie wonimu se obeba bebia mame eninti na asantefo to aba edema MPP ayi edema NDC ba power into when this wo ba power no main purpose main target and then say after one military hospital no oba finishing within 1 year. Now what the amasante for to gain their mentality. Any GDA now what gain one mentality, what gain one GDA, one when you receive ni GDA at the amount where in this government. And Sessa Robert now in the first place, I'm a 1.5 years now back. Also yenja NDC for because one more by 1.5 years ni. Sikana one more day kwa 24 hours economy market no. Sa sikana yebetimi atam e dia commission sa afarowa military hospital no e dia magana for. Ada woni project da ho. Wonye wo so wo kokate another project. How? Wo project da ho wonye. Aka krane wawie. Wo si magaya to ho. Kwa kokate another sword. Ebe sha se dey one. Yey. When na ekwa America e wo park so. A o say wadi kan o onu no di kan o di first. But first no o say mempe biem. Mempe first no. But me jam first na madi no na maba be di last. Na maba be sha se foforo. What be that? What it look like tuna ye to aba editia honorable Kennedy Japan no ase ya kakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because say ya eni honorable Kennedy Japan mu a like the fact and the truth I say honorable Kennedy Japan e catch in this government and say Ghana for nya gide wo mu it make sure say what commissions our hospital ne dia masantefo ene Ghana for. At that moment I will bet now my MPP ebeba be demonstration the same edietia when this government will fail because aduma go what the say we enti honorable Kennedy Japan beka say NDC MPP for wa buy mu 8 years one commission into obi aba 1.5 years yenja wo eni na Ghana gina so to abadi MPP. So that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Asante region, for Asante people, any Ghana for. Masa, only a hospital, only a hospital no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's the 1.5 on GP on DD? Maybe so on GP, on DD, on DD. Sikabe no time yes or the kwa start 24 hours economy market ni sikabe no time ye. Sa sika yentimi yi enfan finish sa hospital na na. Enti mistake a MPP ye no. That means so part na say NDC sunye the same thing enye sa. Kofo na sha ase. O sha ase na NDC for beto aso wo mu awie. NDC for so free so NMPP abeto aso wo mu so awie. Na when NDC wa ba finish no. Finish no.
Mujene da ono. Si mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections ayeko. E no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi compound go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look at say hospitals and it goes on and no say. It is a Canadian saying and no man in Abaya. check scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi wo say oh I say wo say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am say o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na tani afi dem keke mu kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho chief imam for nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho politicians nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina e ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina e ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete neze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems mo so open konketenkete isi enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire radio ndama Mahama say o mema was come to mutu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de radio ndama Mahama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
O si sa asem na listen for the first time nam one and kwa pe baby akoda na and nam one yes na che say was no kura dwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina
say economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ni say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mo bi o mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really the tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the also by I say any mokra mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na wa my no issue document say we a fugitive. Awo jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you so sad.
No Raymond wankasa me Martin ma ba me ense bia I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the memo who no. Wo the very soon be recordings e be pie.
Raymond
very soon be recordings are e be pie. And this state institutions are oh on sa no hu no no crash am fe yan sorry am fe na nsi for my